This is a tutorial on how to upload files and images to Sakai and how to link them in a lessons page. There are two ways to upload files. You can go to your resources menu and select the folder or root folder that you'd like to upload a file. Go to Actions, Upload, and either drag and drop a file or browse your desktop and find a file that you want to use. Once you've found the file, hit Continue, and it will upload, and you will see that your new file is uploaded in that folder. Again, the same is true if you wanted to upload into your lessons folder. You go to the Actions and you click Upload Files. And it doesn't have to be a JPEG or a graphic. It can be a PDF or a Word doc or anything you use. So for example, here's a sample PDF. I simply upload that and hit Continue, and it puts it into my lessons folder because that's where I told it to put it. Now, if you want to link to a folder, a file, or use a graphic in one of your lessons, you can go to a lessons page and simply add a text box. And when you get into this editor screen, there are several ways you can do. This is a text page, linking images and files. Now, if I wanted to put in that image, I can go to the Images button. I can browse the server and it will take a second to open your folder. Then you look in your resources folder and you click the image that you want to put on the screen and click OK. You should always give your image in some alternative text for reading browsers. This is a yellow page divider image. You could change the size if you needed to, or you can align it to the left, or you can add a caption, or just say OK. And there's the image I've added. Now, if you come to this page and you haven't uploaded the image you want to use already, you can do the same thing. You can go to the Image button. You can browse the server. And when your resources come up, you can click this Upload button and you can upload a file now right from your desktop. You can drag and drop, or you can select files using your dialog box. And this time I will pick this folder, this JPEG I want to use. It'll take a second to upload it, and you'll see it's highlighted. And if you're unsure, you can click it and then click OK. Give it some alternative text. And say OK, and it'll insert that image. Now, remember that PDF we uploaded? This is a sample PDF file. This text should say whatever you want the students to see. You can highlight it. You can click this link button, and you can browse the server to find the file that you uploaded. And I uploaded it to Resources and then Lessons. And here's that sample PDF. You click it and you click OK. And it shows you the text that's going to be linked. And it shows you the URL of that file, and you say OK. And there you go. This file is linked. Now, the same is true of a PDF if you haven't uploaded it before. This is a link to an Not the most helpful text, but we can fix that later. And you can browse the server. And if you haven't uploaded it to your server already and you just have it on your desktop, you go to your resources folder. You can go to any subfolder where you want to include it. You hit the upload button. You select the file from your desktop or from anywhere on your computer. And it will both upload it. And if you click on it and click OK, it'll finish linking to it. So those are the two ways that you can upload files and images to resources and use them in your lessons pages. If you have any questions, email us at at@antioch.edu. Thank you.